Merhaba everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fresh and vibrant world of Turkish Çoban Salatası. This isn't just any salad, it's a staple of Turkish cuisine with a rich history and some surprising facts. Let's get started. Did you know that Çoban Salatası translates to shepherd's salad? It's believed to have been a favorite among shepherds who would use fresh ingredients readily available to them in the fields. This salad originates from the Mediterranean region of Turkey, where fresh vegetables are abundant. It's a reflection of the region's agricultural richness and reliance on locally grown produce. It's made from simple, fresh ingredients: tomatoes, cucumbers, green peppers, onions, and parsley, all finely chopped and dressed with olive oil, lemon juice, and salt. Often referred to as a summer salad, Çoban Salatası is particularly refreshing during the hot summer months in Turkey, providing hydration and nutrients with its fresh vegetables. The salad is not just delicious but also incredibly nutritious. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, antioxidants, and fiber, making it a healthy choice for any meal. The high water content in cucumbers and tomatoes makes Çoban Salatası an excellent hydrating dish, perfect for keeping cool and refreshed in the heat. Çoban Salatası is extremely versatile and can be paired with almost any main dish, from grilled meats to fish, or even enjoyed on its own as a light meal. Traditionally, Çoban Salatası is served alongside mezze platters, complementing the array of flavors with its fresh and zesty profile. The olive oil used in Çoban Salatası is often of high quality, as Turkey is one of the world's largest producers of olive oil, known for its rich, fruity flavor. There are slight variations of Çoban Salatası across Turkey. For example, in some regions, you might find it topped with crumbled white cheese or olives. Çoban Salatası is a low-calorie dish, making it an excellent option for those watching their calorie intake while still enjoying a flavorful meal. The tomatoes in Çoban Salatası are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its health benefits, including reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Cucumbers add a good dose of vitamin K to the salad, essential for bone health and proper blood clotting. Onions in the salad provide quercetin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. The use of olive oil in Çoban Salatası contributes to heart health, thanks to its monounsaturated fats and anti-inflammatory properties. The fiber from the vegetables aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut, making Çoban Salatası beneficial for digestive health. One of the best things about Çoban Salatası is how quick and easy it is to prepare. In just a few minutes, you can have a fresh, healthy salad ready to serve. The combination of fresh vegetables has a natural cooling effect on the body, making it an ideal dish for hot climates. In Turkey, Çoban Salatası is a common feature in restaurants, from casual eateries to upscale dining establishments, showcasing its wide appeal. Preparing Çoban Salatası is a tradition passed down through generations, often taught by mothers and grandmothers as an essential part of Turkish home cooking. The fresh, tangy flavors of Çoban Salatası enhance the taste of rich, savory main dishes, providing a perfect balance on the palate. It is a popular component of mezze, a collection of small dishes served as appetizers, reflecting the communal and sharing nature of Turkish dining. The salad promotes the use of local, seasonal produce, supporting local farmers and ensuring the freshest ingredients are used. Çoban Salatası is easily customizable. You can add ingredients like radishes, mint, or sumac for a different twist, making it adaptable to various tastes. While it's a Turkish classic, it has global appeal, with people around the world appreciating its simplicity, flavor, and health benefits. Offering Çoban Salatası is a sign of Turkish hospitality, often served to guests as a welcoming gesture. Including it in your diet promotes healthy eating habits, encouraging the consumption of more fresh vegetables. The light and refreshing nature of Çoban Salatası makes it a perfect side dish for heavier meals, balancing out the richness with its fresh taste. Due to its low calorie and high fiber content, this is a great option for those looking to manage their weight without sacrificing flavor. The high water content in the vegetables helps enhance hydration, an important factor for maintaining overall health, especially in hot climates. The salad's simplicity and reliance on fresh ingredients reflect the agricultural practices of ancient Anatolia, where fresh produce was a daily staple. Çoban Salatası is often celebrated in Turkish food festivals, highlighting its importance and popularity in Turkish cuisine. Whether it's grilled chicken, fish, or lamb kebabs, Çoban Salatası pairs effortlessly with a wide variety of main dishes, making it a versatile addition to any meal. Vegetarians love it for its simplicity and the ability to enjoy a flavorful, nutrient-dense meal without any animal products. Regularly consuming Çoban Salatası can contribute to overall well-being, providing essential nutrients, aiding in digestion, and promoting a healthy lifestyle. And there you have it, a deep dive into the world of Turkish Çoban Salatası. I hope you enjoyed these fascinating facts about this fresh and vibrant dish. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel.